authorities are saying at least 4 people are dead as a result of Tropical Storm Debby. All of those deaths reported in Florida. Authorities say a 13-year-old boy was killed when a tree fell on his mobile home. It happened this morning in Levy County, Florida, which surrounds Cedar Key. In Hillsborough County, deputies say a driver of a semi-truck was killed when the truck went into a canal off of Interstate 275. In Dixie County, Florida, State Patrol says a driver lost control of their car due to the weather. They crashed into a guardrail, causing their car to overturn. The driver and their passenger, a 12-year-old boy, were killed.